Good morning, viewers. About the info is back on the sidelines of your activities. With me, Ahmad Lutfi, who will provide you about the plan to apply tax on groceries.
The imposition of VAT is still in the draft law, and expert staff of the finance minister said this step was important to boost state tax revenues. There is not certain when this rule will be implemented. Researchers say the imposition of VAT will disrupt the sense of justice because it often people's poorest power will previously the government had actually relaxed tax on new car sales. The government claims the application of the final VAT rate is an alternative to facilitate small and medium entrepreneurs. Although the issue is still uncertain, but the issue is quite disturbing to the public, especially among traders who admit to strongly objecting. The application of VAT is a preparation step of optimizing tax revenue after the pandemic, because previously we relied on debt financing because tax revenue fell. Prastowo also attacked a number of graphics showing the comparison of Indonesia VAT value with other countries. One of the he insisted that VAT was not optimal because there were too many expansion and facilities, including the basic necessities mentioned above. However, he reiterated this step as an effort to regularly so that your VAT system is more fair and fair. In a thread on Twitter, expert staff to the Minister of Finance, Eustius Prastowo, gave an explanation of VAT. According to him, this regulation is still on a draft prepared during the pandemic. It does mean it will be applied immediately during a pandemic. This is an implementing point. Timing, Prastowo said in a tweet on Twitter. There are three types of VAT rate that will be proposed. First, general proposed VAT rate of 12%. Second, low rates according to the multi-tariff scheme of 5%, which is legally through the enforcement of government regulations. Third, using the final VAT rate of 1%. The basic commodities that are taxed in the form of rice, meat, eggs, milk, vegetable, fruit, and many other. Traders admit that if this policy is passed, they can only surrender. They hope that this plan will be cancelled. Traders are worried if groceries are subject to VAT, will cause price increase and impasse sales. Market trader and buyer admitted that they objective to the policy plan. Food trader in Pasar Baru, Bekasi, objective to the government plan to apply VAT on basic necessities because the tax gift was quite large, namely 12%. The government plans to impose a tax or VAT on several sectors, one of which is staple food, namely basic necessities. The plan for imposing a value-added tax (PPN) on basic necessities is stated in the draft of the fifth revision of Law Number 6 of 1983, Conquering General Provision and Tax Procedure (RUU KUP). General Provision and Tax Procedure are formal laws that contain regulation regarding the procedure for implementing tax collection by the state. This chartered document is still in the form of draft law RUU, and there are still several steps that must be passed to become law.
That's my coverage as well as closing the event around this morning news. I am Ahmad Lutfi. Thank you.